What if you woke up one morning to the news that Nutmeg, where you've been diligently growing your savings or investments, had gone bust? Yeah, it's a scary thought, right? But fear not, panic less. That's what we're here to unpack today. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's get one thing straight. No financial institution is completely risk-free. It's like building a house. You want to ensure it's on solid ground, but earthquakes can happen. That said, there are safety nets in place to protect your money, to a certain extent. So, what happens to your money if Nutmeg does indeed go belly up? Well, the first line of defense is the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, FSCS. It's like insurance for your money. Now, this doesn't mean you're getting a 100% refund, but it does provide a safety cushion. Currently, the FSCS protects up to £85,000 per person, per financial institution. So, if you have more than that with Nutmeg, you might be out of luck for the excess. But wait, there's more. Remember, your money is actually invested in various assets like stocks, bonds, and funds. These assets are held separately from Nutmeg's own money. This is known as segregation. It's like your money is in a locked box, and Nutmeg doesn't have the key. So, even if Nutmeg goes under, your investments, in theory, should still be there. However, here's the catch: the value of these investments can fluctuate. The market can be a roller coaster, and if it takes a nosedive just as Nutmeg goes bust, you might end up with less than you put in. It's a double whammy, but it's important to understand that this is a risk inherent to investing, not necessarily a direct result of Nutmeg's failure. Now, let's talk about the process. If Nutmeg does go bust, the FSCS will step in to assess the situation. It can take time, and you might experience some disruption to your access to your money. But the goal is to get as much of it back to you as possible, as quickly as possible. So, while it's essential to be aware of the risks, don't let the fear of losing your money paralyze you from investing. Diversification is key. Spread your investments across different platforms and asset classes. Regularly review your portfolio, and don't put all your eggs in one basket. And remember, while it's important to understand the protections in place, it's equally important to choose a reputable financial institution. Do your research, read reviews, and understand the services offered. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and invest wisely.